Here's a great deal on a 2012 Ford F-150. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.